Very good morning. You're watching NewsX and I'm Shivani Singh. Nitin Nabin will formally take charge today as the national president of the Bharatiya Janata Party after being elected unopposed. This marks a smooth, consensus-driven leadership transition within the BJP. The swearing-in ceremony, scheduled to be held at the party headquarters in Delhi, is expected to witness the presence of senior BJP leaders and members of the central leadership, reflecting the party's collective endorsement of his elevation. Nabin's assumption of office comes at a crucial time for the BJP as it focuses on organizational consolidation and prepares for the upcoming electoral challenges, with the leadership also being viewed as a step towards strengthening the party's internal cohesion and strategic direction going forward. Joining us live from the RSS office is my colleague Arzu Seth with more on this. Arzu, a really big day for the BJP and for Nitin Nabin as well. Take us through what is going to happen over there today.
Well, definitely today marks the big day as Nitin Nabin will be taking the charge as the BJP president and the next president of Bharatiya Janata Party. And in fact, all the party leaders are very excited because he will be taking over the reins from outgoing President JP Nadda, and the name was pending since several days. And today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will make the announcement, the official announcement at the party headquarters. And Naveen, was elected as the party president after he was the only nomination in the presidential election. Also, in all the 37 sets of the nomination paper was submitted in favor of the Nabin, and some of the proposers include the Prime Minister Modi and also the outgoing President JP Nadda among the others. So definitely it was said that all the nomination paper were valid, and on scrutiny all sets of the nomination paper were found to be duly filled up in the required format and were valid. And today, as I earlier mentioned, Prime Minister will be reaching the BJP office and the official ceremony, we can say, will be taking place. And today, officially, Nitin Nabin will be the BJP's president, national president. And the official announcement will be made by the Prime Minister, and also he is going to address the party workers. So this remains to be very important as the process is now complete, and the party is just left with the declaration and the announcement, which will be done in the presence of the Prime Minister today. Nabin at 45 is the youngest president in the party's history, and his appointment signals a generational shift in the party's party, and also he was named the working president of the party in December, indicating his elevation for the top post. So definitely this is now the shift in the party, generational shift in the party, the youngest president giving a boost to other party workers. This is what the BJP has to say, and also the BJP workers somewhere appreciating and also saying that every worker's work has been recognized by the party, whether it's big person or a normal worker, everyone is recognized in the party, and that's why Nitin Nabin is getting a chance of being the national president of Bharatiya Janata Party.
Right, yes. Arzu, I'd request you to please stay on with us. At 11 a.m. around 700 representatives are expected to assemble at the BJP headquarters in Delhi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will also be present at the meeting, where the party is expected to formally announce Nitin Nabin as the election as the new BJP president, bringing the organizational Parv 2024 to its conclusion. So, Arzu, we will obviously be we will be seeing the formal conclusion of the organizational Parv 2024. It concludes with Nitin Nabin being elected as the national BJP president.
Well, definitely, and if you talk about this is going to be a thing, because a lot of responsibilities is on the BJP's national president. We have seen BJP's Nadda's tenure, and now it will be on Nitin Nabin also among those who proposed or seconded Nabin's name were the Union Minister Rajnath Singh, Amit Shah, Nitin Gadkari, Dharmendra Pradhan, Nirmala Sitharaman, Kiran Rijiju, also Bhupendra Yadav, and several chief ministers, including sorry, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath and Odisha CM. Goa CM, Rajasthan CM, and among the other chief ministers of the other states were among those who submitted the letter of support for the Nitin Naveen's candidature. So definitely, the process has now been completed, and today marks the official day when the announcement will be made by the Prime Minister, and the address is also going to be very crucial because today he's also going to address the party workers. And firstly, we talk about his schedule. Nitin Naveen firstly will be visiting the Jhandewalan Devi Mandir. He is also going to go to the RSS office, meeting the officials, meeting the RSS members, and then he will be reaching to the BJP's headquarters at DDU Marg, where the official announcement will take place. Yes.